For most people watching this is the category that matters. You want a CPU that perfectly matches the 5070 series in gaming performance, has room for light streaming or multitasking, and won't need replacing the moment you decide to upgrade your GPU. On the AMD side, the Ryzen 7 9700X delivers exactly that. 8 Zen 5 cores give you headroom in modern and upcoming games, smoother frame pacing in CPU-heavy titles, and extra breathing room if you like to run Discord, Chrome, and other apps alongside your game. It's still very power efficient, runs cool, and just like the 9600X, sits on AM5 for a long supported future. On Intel, the Core Ultra 7 265K fills the same sweet spot. It's got the right mix of performance and efficient cores to keep high refresh rates smooth while also being a strong multitasker. And with the LGA 1851 platform, you can drop in future CPUs without redoing your whole build. If you lean purely towards maximum gaming FPS and don't mind paying a bit more, you could swap the 9700X for the 9800X3D here. Just remember, with the 5070 or 5070 Ti, you won't see the full benefit of that cache at higher resolutions. It's a better fit if you're planning a serious GPU upgrade later.